Hello everyone, welcome back to Web3 Hacking with Python course. So in this session, what are we going to do is we try to think some contract has only they showing the opcode, they don't show the codes and the Solidity codes and then the API code. So how we can go further the examining the contract of how we going to hack it. So when we have opcode, we have many options to do it. One is manual encoding, so you have to copy those opcode and you can check here. So what are they saying? It's like first thing has a 60. So what 60 means? You have to go and manually check everything in the bytecode. Or second thing is you can use a decompiler, automation decompiler. So this is a Ethereum provide decompiler. So you need to just click the decompile bytecode and they open the new tab in here, write this and click the decompile bytecodes. So they showing some roughly idea about the bytecode, and we can use a third party like Etherscan.io, which is I already provide in the reference link, so you can open and click check about everything. So we need to copy all the bytecode here and just paste it here and click the decompile. So give us some time and they showing like this. So here is a name function and this is the bytecode name function and approve total supply. Everything they showing is some internal method. It's a public method. They showing everything here, argument stuff and things, but we need to notice about this too, because when we are going to write the Python code, we need to use those things here. So for example, we need to create the web3 library, import the web3 library, and also it's like the first thing we are doing every project, connect with the infra to mainnet, and we are going to copy and paste the address, but this time we are not going to copy API code because they don't provide the API code there. So we need to copy the all bytecode and paste it here. And we use a function name. We announce the function selector variable and we use web3 dot cacat is a format for hashing thing in web3. So web3 dot cacat function call and text in what we are going to use is we are going to call a balance of address, and we need to provide the bytecode in here. So balance of is, if they have a balance of, yeah, so this is a balance of, so we need to copy and put it there in place, and you need to use address parameter and place it in bytecode and address code. So we use a function selector to call all the data using the opcode here. So I'm going to give you the code in the slides and you try to put it all code and assemble and try to run those things. So what you get from when you are running those things, what you get and you get the information about balance of the contract or balance of data, everything stuff. Whatever you get, you just need to send me the result of the code. I also provide some other code in here, so you are going to try to run all those things stuff. Okay, so see you in next video. Bye bye.